Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on how I use the Banish Acne Scars Banish Starter Kit to help like clean up my skin because I have been like suffering from acne and I still do kind of, but this has definitely like cleared it up a bit. So I'm definitely going to be showing you guys like how I use these products and stuff because you guys are really like on my Instagram telling me that my skin is clearing up. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do this. This video is actually sponsored by Banish also, but all my opinions are my own. I'm not lying to you guys. Like, I really love their products. But first, I'm taking their Pumpkin Enzyme Masque and I'm just putting that on my face using a flat brush. I feel like it's more sanitary this way. This mask is amazing because it like eats away at the dead skin and like makes my skin feel super soft. So after I leave that on for like 15 minutes, I take it off with a damp washcloth using circular motions, going really lightly because if you go too rough, it'll irritate your skin. So keep that in mind. Go really gentle with the washcloth because I used to do that. I made that mistake when I first started using this. I just go ham and it would irritate my skin because the mask is like a little like hard to take off, but as long as you're going gentle with the washcloth, it'll take it off eventually. So while I'm taking off my mask, I like to put my Banish Pore Smasher in the fridge or the freezer so it gets it nice and cold. This I like to roll over my skin. This really helps with like shrinking your pores and stuff. So I really recommend this. It's such like a fun skincare tool. I really like it. So I just like roll that over my skin after I take it out of the freezer. And then I go in with my Banisher. This is really cool. It has like little needles on it so it penetrates your skin. So then like your skin like heals it or something. But this is just like amazing. This really has gotten rid of like a lot of my scars. So I go back and forth horizontally and then I go vertically. Some people go like horizontally or diagonally too, but I don't like to do that because it like irritates my skin. And then I go in with the vitamin C elixir and I just spray that on my face and let it dry. And then I take my Banish Oil. This is one of my favorites. And I just put a couple drops on my face and then I rub that in and then I pat it in. This and the Pumpkin Enzyme Masque are my two favorites from the Banish Starter Kit. I really recommend them. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two and might want to try some of the products. So yeah, bye guys.